What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. This is kind of like a scary content video. We got a voice recorder and it's a spirit box that the cameraman Nate just purchased. And we're gonna see, remember that video I did a couple weeks back? We're currently in the church right now and it's dark, it's nighttime. And we have everything shut off. And you know, they say this place is haunted and honestly I'm a little scared, so this is what it looks like at night. And yeah, we got everything set up. So I'm a little nervous.
There's our equipment right
We got
there.
that ghost equipment right there ready to set up. It's the spirit box.
And the speaker with it too.
We got the spirit box, you know. I don't know how this works, so we're gonna test it out. We got the speaker to connect to it and just, yeah guys, I'm gonna get over the camera real quick.
I was a little nervous at first, but I think I'm doing pretty good. So I'm just ready to see if we catch something. I don't know.
And by the way, this is my cameraman.
Yeah, what's up?
For those of you who didn't know.
Yeah.
So guys, this is
scary in those rooms, huh?
yeah, it's a little scary place, guys. So this is it. This is the, you know. So yeah, we're gonna talk to ghosts, see if we capture anything. Ready for this, Nate? Let's get it. I'm scared, dude. I'm shaking. I'm low-key scared, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a sweep rate of 250. They say that's the best. Between 250 and 300. So, you ready for this, Nate?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna turn the volume all the way up. And here we go, guys.
Hello?
You turn it down a little bit.
Hello?
So is anybody here with us today?
Hello?
Is there anybody here? Hello? Is there anybody that wants to talk to us today? So far, guys, it's just using this thing, but so far we're just getting radio signals. So we're gonna try, yeah. So we're gonna try a sweep rate of 300. Like I said, again, this is like another review for this too, because we don't know how this works pretty much. So we're gonna do a sweep rate of 300, maybe try to get something on there.
Hello?
Hello, is there anybody here with us? No.
That's what I heard.
What the? I heard, okay. That gave me the heebie-jeebies a little bit.
Can you tell us your name?
Are you a boy or a girl?
Yeah. But don't worry.
Hello?
So right now, guys, it's picking up a lot of like stations. Like I said, we're gonna see if this really does really work. So this is like a spirit box we bought, and we're just testing it out, see if it works. You know, we're not really 100% sure of this, so we don't know if it's debunked, but this is what we're here to test it out for. Yeah. So far we're just getting just a radio sequence. I mean, because pretty much it's a radio, but they say
Do you
spirits
have
have.
to leave the antenna up? Or can you
I
put
think
it
so.
down?
I could put it down maybe to see if, you know, it wouldn't get much. So If there's anybody here, can you make contact with us? So yeah, it's just picking up channels right now, guys. So let's try 150. Hello, is anybody here with us? Does anybody, can you come through for us tonight? I heard there was a little girl here. Are you here with us?
If you're here with us, can you make a noise? Can you make a noise for us and prove that you're here? Don't be shy to talk to us. Can I also like this?
Alright, we're gonna try this one more time, guys. Hello, is there anybody here with us tonight? You wanna tell us about yourself, maybe how long you've been here? Yeah, I'm just picking up the radio.
Hello?
Can you tell us your name? Vic? Whoa, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard something, but I didn't. Was it good?
I don't know, that was... I heard that clear as day though, I don't know.
Can you tell us your name again? Hello?
Is your name Vic?
Hey, what's up, guys? We're recording on the GoPro and for about 10 minutes using the spirit box, and it overheated, so we're using the camera that Michael has behind him, and we're trying to see if we could catch something, but I don't know if we did, or we couldn't really hear what it was saying, or probably different radio frequency or something that we had it on. I don't know, but we kept hearing a little bit of noise, so I don't know. It could be. Cause how old is this place?
This place is pretty old.
Yeah.
Yeah, so currently here's a little piano right there. And then there's, like they said, again, this is an old, it might look new, but this place is pretty old. I mean, it's got its age in here. So yeah, guys, that's one of the back rooms back there.
Huh.
What do you think, Nate?
It's a little so spooky in here. Keep hearing that?
Yeah.
I keep hearing that. Well, that's not mine, but if we stand close.
But, you know, I feel like they're not really as active. Maybe they just want to be left alone. And, you know, it's kind of a good thing, you know, we don't really want to bother them because, you know, we don't know what kind of spirits we encounter here and we don't want to really, you know, get them pissed off. But you know what? I am getting a strong, like strong energy coming from this room back here.
Yeah.
And I just got the chills, bro. Like, I'm just getting a strong feeling back there for some reason.
I don't know, it does look pretty.
Yeah, I don't know.
Pretty scary
But
in there.
the thing is, back there and on top, they said that there was a little girl that does live up on top. And hopefully we could... God, I'm getting chills here. They do say there was people talking to, you know, this little girl that lives on the really top. It's like a third floor. And they said that, you know, there is a little girl that does live up on the top floor. And we'll probably get to that in the next video. But, you know, we just kind of want to go over the church area. And you can definitely feel some type of presence here. But like I said, it's more like subtle. It's nothing like demonic or just, it just feels like he just wants to be left alone. We tried the spirit box and we didn't really, you know, like I said, it's just like, it's like a radio, and what it does is it just frequently switches through channels, and I guess it builds up enough energy for the ghost to come through it, through the antenna and whatnot, you know. So you hear little snippets of like radio. But there is some in there. We gotta find it. You can kind of hear something, but I don't know if it's just radio. You know, it could be, you know, either or. So we're not really sure. I'm not saying it's ghosts. I'm not saying it's spirits coming through. And, you know, most of it was radio, but, you know, like I said, I never know. It could, you know, but at the end of the day, you know, we make these types of videos for you guys, and, you know.
I think because we're using the spirit box in here and not like on the other side, like in those rooms.
That's true too, but I am getting something strong right here, and it's a little scary. Like, it's kind of like it's like gravitating towards, like, it's like a weird feeling right here, especially standing right here.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I'm not really much of a believer on ghosts and stuff, you know, because I personally never seen one, never experienced a feeling. But right here though is what gets me. It's like it's just something's gravitating. Like, it's just like pulling me. Like I don't know. It's just, I don't know if it's just me being weird or watch. It's just, I don't know.
Just gives me weird vibes.
It does, and it's, you know. But like I said, guys, you know, we're inside of a church right now, and this building is well over. Couldn't tell you how many years old, but it's got its years and it's got its stories here. So, you know, if you want to check out this video during the daytime of, you know, the whole thing, it's gonna be in my other previous videos. But yeah, so we're just gonna take a tour of the sunlight.
Yeah.
It's eerie.
Yeah.
It's nice and yeah. But it just gets you, you know.
It's pretty big.
We could take a little tour real quick. Hey, you wanna?
This is it, guys. This is an old fireplace. Anybody here say yes or no? Are you a nice ghost? Are you a boy? Are you a girl? And anybody in this room made contact with us tonight. Are you afraid to talk in this microphone? Are you a good spirit or a bad spirit? Just say yes or no.
If you're here, can you make a sign? Or can you say anything so we know that you're here with us? What is your name?
How old are you?
Can you please give us a sign that you're here?
It's me. Oh, did you hear that too? Okay. You heard me or it's me? It's me who?
What is your name?
Okay, so far, we know there's something in here. We just heard somebody try to get contact with us. Maybe the energy is not as powerful. So we're still gonna try a little bit more. Maybe we can get some more. Can you tell us your name? Are you a boy or a girl?
Give us a sign that you are here with us.
You're gonna give them some energy. If you have enough energy, can you say, anybody here with us? Please, we are nice. We just want to talk to you. Again, if you want to be left alone, just tell us. Leave you alone, and we will go. What is it?
I think you said I did.
Ah,
Well, can you give us a sign that you are here? Want to say hello? Only picked up a little bit.
a little bit, yeah. So again, guys, you know,
Not as much, so.
not as much, you know, but that's what we're using. So hopefully, you know, we can catch some more. But we're gonna call it a night. And
Yeah.
Gonna go home and look at the evidence. Maybe we can find something and whatnot. So again, we're gonna go and plug it in, and maybe we might find something that we didn't hear, you know, here. So